Good evening, everybody. I'm going to talk about what is artificial intelligence for about 10 minutes. It is both science and engineering of making machines intelligent, especially intelligent computer programs. It is related to the similar task of using computers to understand human intelligence. But AI does not have to confine itself to methods that are biologically observable. See, basically, intelligence means computational. Basically, machine does computation and machine does computation and machine does computation and produces some intelligent results. Okay? It is the science and engineering of making intelligent machines, especially intelligent computer programs. It is related to the similar task of using computers to understand human intelligence, but AI does not have to confine itself to methods that are biologically observable. You see, I am not getting the PPT here, the slide. In this course, we are going to see the following things. First, we give an introduction to AI, artificial intelligence, and then we are going to see intelligent agents. That is chapters 1 and 2. Then we go for search, then for games, then for constraints processing, representation and reasoning with logic, learning, planning, uncertainty, and finally natural language processing. It's a huge syllabus, but AI means all this. Okay? Okay, what is artificial intelligence? It is the science and engineering of making intelligent machines, especially intelligent computer programs. It is related to the similar task of using computers to understand human intelligence, but AI does not have to confine itself to methods that are biologically observable. Yes, but what is intelligence? Intelligence is the computational part of the ability to achieve goals in the world. Varying kinds and degrees of intelligence occur in people, many animals, and some machines. Isn't there a solid definition of intelligence that does not depend on relating it to human intelligence? Not yet. The problem is that we cannot yet characterize in general what kinds of computational procedures we want to call intelligent. We understand some of the mechanisms of intelligence and not others. AI falls What is artificial intelligence? It is human-like. How to simulate humans' intellect and behavior on by a machine. That is basically how to simulate humans' intellect. That is, we want the machines to think as intelligently as human beings and more. How we solve mathematical problems? Mathematical problems include puzzles, games, theorems. Common sense reasoning. If there is parking space, probably illegal to park. Expert knowledge. How to convert this expert knowledge into an expert system. Lot of automation is taking place, and today we are having machines, we are getting machines that can do what a lawyer can do, what a doctor can do, and what a diagnostic person can do. We are getting, but we are still not there. Social behavior. Social behavior is the behavior of we want systems to be user friendly, and the social behavior that is exhibited by humans should also be exhibited by machines. This is a bit tough, but if they can do it, it's good. Rational like achieve goals, have a performance measure. Achieve goals, have performance measure. ఎవరు సార్ లతా హస్బెండా శారదానా అంటే కింద ఆఫీస్లో తారక రత్నానా See the Turing test. There is an interrogator in one room, there is a computer in another room, and there is a human being in another room. There are 3 rooms. Now the interrogator asks a question to these 2 rooms. Then the interrogator will get answers from these 2. That is the human being and the computer. If the interrogator cannot make out which is the computer and which is the human being, then the computer has passed a test. It is intelligent. Okay? That is what the Turing test is. Can the machine think? What is AI? Requires natural language, knowledge representation, automated reasoning and machine learning, vision robotics for full test. So these are the components that an AI system will be looking for: natural language, knowledge representation, automated reasoning, machine learning, vision robotics for full test, thinking humanly, introspection, the general problem solver, cognitive sciences, thinking humanly, introspection, the general problem solver, cognitive sciences, thinking rationally, thinking humanly, thinking rationally. Humanly, we may think in all types of ways, but rationally, we can think only at some times. Okay? How to represent and reason in a domain. Today, apart from programming knowledge, we need to have domain knowledge also if we want to implement AI systems. Okay, that's all I have for this lecture. Thank you.